When and today is April 22 at about 6:45 early morning, and you can see here this is the area we call Oasis Beach. Here the doggies are here. They're trying to have the resting place. Papalamig sila, natutulog. Masarap. So the tide now is gonna decrease, like to me, because you can observe here, itong sun from dry. This is the dry part, and then it's gonna. This beach in Darwin, ito ay part of poblasyon number 1. In Darwin, ito ang beach na napakalapit lang. Kung kami ay galing sa Valencia, it just took about 15 minutes to arrive here. About 15 minutes. And ito yung parking area ng Oasis Beach area. And then ito yung bahay ng, I should say, mga may-ari siguro. At mauni ang surroundings. After the parking area, you can now see yung mga tables. The tables here. Oh, here is the announcement. Pay before using tables and chair. Pay as you purchase from the stores. Loud music not allowed. Close at 6. They will close at 6 p.m. Sa beach mismo, you have cottages that are for rent. Kaning ganun table, 300 or 350. And the big tables, like here, this is 500 pesos. So duhani ka 500 pesos. The table and this table. So with those table there, tagpa 500 na sila. Looks good. A big table. And with some grilled facility for grilling. And there has sink. Ana sila ay tindahan nga rin, grocery store, and then that's all. See, and after these cottages here that are being shaded, you can have near to the shore itself. Ano pa ni? Ang usa ka table is 150 or this is 300. Also, today is Monday, April 22, year 2024. So it's a nice climate today, and it's quite cloudy. Some parts in the atmosphere, it's cloudy. I mean, little bit cloudy here. A little.
Nakay G's na best para dili sensilyo.
Ha?
Para dili sensilyo akong ihatag nimo.
Kana,
Okay na
ay,
ka?
imo i-chocolate na ako 260.
260?
Oh,
Kamu-
kana 50 og
Ah, okay.
10.
40 mo.
Oh. Thank you.